benefits of tracking your cycle in order to get pregnant. The first benefit is knowing when you are ovulating. So if you have a normal period, then you ovulate midway through your cycle. One of the things that needs to happen in order for a pregnancy is that the female needs to ovulate or create that egg. The number two reason is once you know when you're ovulating, then you can know when your fertile window is. So the fertile window is the highest likelihood of time each month where you have the best chance of getting pregnant. The average woman gets pregnant about 20% of the time each month. Knowing your fertile window can help take advantage of that percentage. Fertile window is usually 5 days before you ovulate, the day of ovulation, and the day after you ovulate. And the reason why it's 5 days before is because sperm can survive for 5 days within the female. So you have that 5 days before, so the sperm is kind of there waiting for your egg to drop. Third thing to know about cycle tracking in order to get pregnant is that this does not work if you have very irregular periods. So if you're skipping months, if your periods are very, very far apart, then this is not gonna work for you. And you should talk to your doctor about how to determine when you're ovulating. Also, if you're ovulating, because some of you might not be, in order to figure out the best way for you to get pregnant.